Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is part one of the new DIY makeover series that I am starting here on my channel. This is totally new for me, way out of my comfort zone, but you cannot be successful if you're stuck in your comfort zone. At least that's what someone said to me one time, or I read a quote. I don't remember who sent it to me. I recently read that somewhere. Like, you can't succeed in life if you stay in your comfort zone. So we are breaking through those doors right now, and I am going to be tackling a very, very outdated, dirty, needs a lot of work room. And I hope that you are excited to watch this journey as much as I am excited to share it with you. So I am going to do the best I can at renovating this on my own, on a budget, and also sharing it. So we shall see how this turns out. Thank you so much for stopping by today. Let's go ahead and I'm gonna show you the room. All right, so before I got started, I did take a quick photo, but I did not film myself, cleaning this entire room just because there was a lot of personal items in there and I just didn't feel comfortable sharing all that. So I cleaned the room up. It took me like 3 hours to do it. And then this is what the room looks like with all the furniture that's in here. As you can see, there is really old flooring. There is way too much furniture for this space and nothing matches, nothing flows. It needs some love in this space. So first thing I'm going to start doing is just removing everything out of the room. I say that and then something. It's a spider web. Like I mentioned earlier, I am just working on removing all the decor off the walls and get all this furniture out of here. But I did have my whole family up here, by the way, so if you keep seeing me turn my head and talking, I was talking to my sister-in-law. She was just kind of hanging out, keeping an eye on the kids so I could tackle getting this room cleaned out. Also, I wanted to give a shout out to my brother and my husband for helping me get all this furniture out of here. They did help me carry a lot of it. I slid most of it out of the room, but then they came in and got it all out. So that way I didn't have to do any crazy heavy lifting. So super thankful for that. But yeah, you can see here that there's just too much furniture and too much stuff in the space. This room is actually a lot bigger than it seems. It's just crammed with so many different furniture pieces. So obviously the first step with any room makeover is cleaning it out just to see what you're working with, see the new layout, and that way you can take that time and really, kind of plan out a new layout for the new furniture that you have coming in. By the way, there's a little sneak peek at the headboard that I will be using. That headboard was free. Can you believe that someone threw that away? It is gorgeous. What is that? Huh? Yeah, trash. That's definitely garbage. Yeah, stop! So as you can see, this room is in rough shape. I was not kidding. It has not been cleaned in probably over a year, like deep clean, probably longer than that, honestly. It's been a long, long time. But I'm about to get these floors swept. I'm not looking forward to this. And I don't have a dustpan. I didn't bring like I didn't plan on doing this today, by the way. This just kind of happened. But yeah. Guys, so it is the next day. I was able to get the entire room cleaned out except for this shelf over here. We have a few cabinets on the wall that need to come down, and then there's one more shelf over here. After those come down, I'm gonna spend pretty much like an entire day doing some cleaning, getting rid of all the cobwebs, and I am so nervous because I'm not a fan of spiders. Obviously, I don't think anyone really is, but I'm deathly scared of them, and there's a lot of spider webs to clean out. This room has not been cleaned in probably years, so I have my work cut out for me. Hopefully this inspires you that no matter what your space looks like or what room, what house you're moving into, it has potential, and you can do it on a budget. So I'm really excited to share this with you. So yeah, let me turn the camera around, show you an overview, give you some ideas tell you my ideas that I have moving forward. And I would love to hear your thoughts and opinions in the comments. Let me know what you think. This is bad. I'm going to kind of show you some up close. So if you are not a fan of really nasty stuff, I just suggest you skip ahead and thank you for watching. But let me show you what I'm working with. So whenever you walk in the door, this is what you see. Oh my goodness. I don't even know where to begin, but I'm also so excited because, yeah, I mean, this is where I get to really show if I can pull this off, and I think it's going to be cool. So my plan is, okay, let me come back over this way. Since the closet's right here, it makes it really hard to put a bed here, and since the window's there, I can't really put a bed in the center. So I think I'm gonna do the bed frame on this wall, kind of going this way. That way it doesn't block any natural lighting. I don't wanna block the natural light. This room is very dark. I do have a light on, but it's not bright enough right now. I need to switch out that light fixture and obviously clean everything. Yeah, gonna do flooring, a lot of hole patching, gotta get some new plug-in covers. I'm taking this shelf down. I'm going to take everything down and basically just start painting, and that's going to be the first step. So yeah, that's where I'm at so far. I actually really love the closet. I think it's really neat, and I don't know, it just has a lot of character to it. So I'm going to try to do something to it to make it look a little nicer and updated, but I like the cabin-y feel of it, so I'm going to kind of leave that, I think. But this cabinet's definitely coming down. It just looks awkward there. As you can see, we got just, yes, baby. Yes. But as you can see, there are cobweb galore in here. And this is years and years of not cleaning this. So, got a lot of cleaning to do. Alright, so my husband and I are going to move these cabinets out of the bedroom. That way I have a fresh, clean room to start with. Well, not really fresh, clean. It'll be an empty room to start with is what I should have said. But anyway, that's going to be it for part 1. Stay tuned till next week for part 2. I will try to have at least one makeover video up a week. Some weeks I might end up having to skip a week just depending on the project and, you know, how much work I'm able to get done. But I am going to do the best I can at sharing this makeover as quickly as I possibly can. But I'm still mom and I'm still a wife and I have other responsibilities that are way more important to me than makeovers, so I will be taking care of my mom duties before I tackle this project. So I can't guarantee anything, but I do appreciate all of you who are here today and watching, and I really hope that you enjoy this makeover over the next few weeks. Thank you so much for being here, and I'll see you in my next one.